Abbadoodles, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make some galaxy oozes.
Hey, what about me?
And this is my dad.
Hey, I'm Dad. She remembered I'm here.
I forgot all about him.
So what are we doing today?
We're making some galaxy oozes. Well,
So I have something to tell you. So we've done these boxings before, and they kind of don't work a whole lot because I think we need to change the powder out from what's in here, right?
Maybe.
So let's do something different. I got a surprise for you.
Okay, let's get it.
That's what's in here. It is Cyclops snot. It's.
Get that out of here.
No, wait, hold on. There's monster mud. I told you it's Halloween themed.
I just have the. We're doing this.
There's got mud pieces in here.
We still gotta do those though.
That's gonna be another one. But yes, let's check this out first because it's scented. Also, it smells. You want to smell cyclone snot?
Mud.
Mud. You need some help?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay.
I'll open it for you.
Okay.
Ooh, that's nasty. Does it stink? Does it? Ew. Oh, it's nasty. There's stuff in it.
That smells like barf.
Oh, it's gross.
It smells like barf. It smells like it. Stop.
That was your surprise.
I'm not like that. I don't like that. I don't like that.
Oh,
Throw that
yeah.
away now.
That is nasty. All right, but that's it.
Oh.
I think that's a thumbs down from Abby.
From you? You mean?
I thought it was fantastic.
But yeah, that is a from Dominic. So what's that one?
You want to see the other one? Are you sure?
You can open it. And
I'll open it. We'll do it on this side.
what about this? Are we gonna clean that? I don't want that to be on the table. I'll eat it.
I will clean it up also. Slime with boogers. We are back with the Cyclops snot. You sure you don't want to open it?
Well, you can. I don't want
I
it.
want to see boogers. You want to see that? Come on. Take a big smell. No.
Nope.
Yep, I think I got something she's too grossed out to do.
Ah! Ew!
Booger!
Oh.
Ew. That's not bad. No, it doesn't smell too bad.
Smells like
The mud smelled horrible. You want to smell it?
I can always smell it. It smells like lemon.
Yeah, see, it's not bad at all.
But it looks close.
You want to taste it? Yeah, you take the green part. Ooh, right there.
That's what you resolved. You resolved that.
I probably did. Alright. Alright, so that's what we're going to do for Abby's big surprise today and show her something gross and disgusting, which I think we did it. What do you think?
I hate it. That's all I have. I'm not using any love or like. I just hate it. I hate it so much.
You want me to say goodbye? Thanks for watching. Have a good day.